The midterm race is crucial for LGBTQ plus future, and one is a Black Senate candidate from Florida, Val Demings.
Yes.
With the overturning of Roe v. Wade, Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas has stated that other cases will be next, including the one that overturned anti-sodomy laws and the one that protects same-sex marriage. With President Biden's record low approval rating, experts agree that midterm prospects look bleak for Democrats. Without a large majority in the House and Senate, there is no chance of congressional action to protect LGBTQ plus rights. Yet, Republicans are expected to gain the majority. Here in Florida, there is hope that candidate Val Demings will win the primary in August and that she can defeat the anti-LGBTQ plus Marco Rubio. Folks, let's have it.
We're all rooting for
her.
Let's first say this. You know what I first say about Clarence Thomas? He is the textbook definition of Uncle Tom, but that's another thing right there. I said that right there. And,
she let it out the bag.
I am saying that. So, but Val Demings, we need to get her in the Senate, and it is kind of looking dark and bleak, but I'm very optimistic. The Democrats need to be more vocal. As like the Republicans, they're unapologetic. They're saying, I'm being hateful on this.
They definitely are now.
The Democrat messaging is clouded. Even this, they had all the opportunity, knowing that the Supreme Court was going to turn over Roe versus Wade, and we already know that was going to happen, and there was no messaging. Just totally dropped the ball.
The biggest thing for me is that I think we rarely ever touch on the real situation, and what's so obvious to me is that our country, and it's been talked about for decades, but our country is ruled by money. Our thoughts or how we act, everything, it always seems, but typically think about it, because right now what's going on are like Roe versus Wade, for instance, women abortion is basically a high topic issue that most people agree on, that abortions are okay, and all those other ones, like the guns. Most people agree that guns need to be some level of restriction on them, but yet because the economy is not doing so well in terms of you having to pay more at the gas tank, you don't like President Biden, and therefore you're not going to vote for issues that basically protect your rights. It makes no sense, because if you look at it from an issue standpoint, if you look at it from protecting abortion and you look at it to gun restrictions, you would be for it. But the fact that you're shoving out more money to pay gas, you automatically aren't going to vote Democrats into the seats that you need to safeguard your rights. It's just ridiculous.
You know what I find problematic and very troubling to me? I hate to see a member of the LGBTQIA family and they Republicans. That scares the living hell out of me. I don't know if we can, I'm sorry.
Don't give me nightmares, and they're out there.
They're blatantly out there.
And they're what I call homophobic homosexuals. Homophobic homosexuals. But as it relates to Clarence Thomas, it's so funny that he wants to overturn all of this, but yet there's a law that they want to overturn that protects his marriage with his white wife.
Yes.
But he won't talk about
that. He don't want to talk about that tea. Clarence Thomas, I'm coming for you.
He's leaving that word.
You want to leave that?
He embodies that. He embodies that.
We should all come for him.
Yeah. You broke that black card. Thank you.
LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Laura are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out Television Network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBTQ plus community.